So let's see today's lovely Goan Polle with not a single drop of oil used in this recipe. So I've taken exactly 1 cup of rice in a bowl, and I'm going to wash this rice thrice under running water. I'm just showing it to you. So squeeze out all, squeeze the rice under the water, and first it will come very murky like this. And as you continue doing it, the water will become more clearer. And after you've washed it nicely thrice under water, you're just going to cover and set it aside for 8 hours. You can keep it overnight too, but 8 hours would be sufficient. So after 8 hours, I've drained out all the water from the rice. Now besides that, we're going to use 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Try to use, fresh coconut. The taste is really better. 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can adjust it according to your sweetness, and salt to taste. Now here I've got a large mixer jar, and I'm just going to transfer the rice, the coconut, the sugar, and the salt to my mixer jar. Now polle is mostly made, for breakfast. You can have it all by itself, or you can have it with a nice coconut chutney. I leave a link to my coconut chutney recipe down. Or you can even have it with gravies like sorpotel, vindaloo, chicken curry, xacuti. It's like a kind of a dosa or a neer dosa, and it's very versatile. You can have it with anything. Even all by itself, it's so nice and delicious. And now I'm just going to add a little water at a time. Totally I've used about half cup of water, and we want to get this typical runny kind of a batter, very similar to a neer dosa batter, a little thinner than a regular dosa batter. Now I've kept my iron pan heating on a low to medium flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This is very important that your pan is nice and heated up. And then you're just going to pour about 2 ladlefuls. Now you're not going to spread it out too much like a dosa, just a little bit so you get that nice round shape. Don't spread it out too much. And then you're just going to cover it and keep it on a medium flame for about half a minute, and you'll see that it you tend to get these little bit of pores and bubbles all over. And then with your spatula, very very gently just loosen up the sides. You have to be extremely gentle, otherwise it will break. But if your pan is nice and heavy, nice and hot rather, it loosens up very very easily. Now, if you want to know about this pan, you can check it out in my Amazon store. It's in my cooking section, so you can get your hands on this. I use it for my dosas, for my gavans, for everything, and it comes out really amazing. Now you're going to cook the other side also for about half a minute. And then you're just going to transfer this to your serving plate. And in this way, you can make all the dosas. The polles. And with this 1 cup of rice, I got exactly 8 polles, and these are medium size. I haven't made them very small, or I haven't made them very large. I remember my mom used to make this for us, for breakfast. And just these with a cup of tea is a nice filling breakfast. Although I personally like it with a little bit of coconut chutney at the side. So the trick is to have a nice heavy bottomed iron pan like this, and to really heat it up well, and you're all set. So I hope you do give this Goan Polle recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. Go and check out all my other recipes, which I'll leave the link to all of them in the description box below, as well as the comment section below. So you can go and click on them and just go directly to the recipe you're looking for. So here they are. They're so light and so nice, and not a single drop of oil used in this recipe. So it's so healthy too. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. sooner than they think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Be kind and loving to one another. Bye.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.